To format a USB drive, at first you need to plug that in, then you need to open this PC. In here you'll see your flash drive. Right click, you'll see format. If you're using Windows 10, you'll see this tab. In here press on format, this is the file system, and you need to check this quick format. If is unchecked, you need to check. In here you can choose a name for it. In the file system we have different kind of formats. Okay, FAT32 is good for the cars. For example, when you copy music in your flash drive and you want to listen it on your car or on your speaker, because the device that you connect this USB drive, it didn't recognize your music and it didn't recognize your flash drive. Okay, we have NTFS and exFAT. You can't copy more than 4 GB on the FAT32. By default, if you want to copy large files and each of your files are, for example, 6 GB, 5 GB, something like that, and you want to transfer files, you can choose NTFS. If your flash drive is more than 60 GB, you need to choose exFAT or exFAT, something like this. I set it as FAT32. You mustn't change the other things, but if you change these kind of things, you need to press on restore device default, press start. It says all of the data which are in your flash drive are going to be deleted. Okay, don't worry. I press OK, format complete, OK, close, and as you can see, my flash drive is formatted. If this video helps you, don't forget to press like button and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.